Good morning, my dear friends. Welcome to Tenali pathshala. In today's class, we are going to talk about very important questions which are asked in previous year annual examinations for midterm and annual exam from the chapter Some Basic Concepts of Chemistry. So let us begin, guys. First, we'll talk about one mark questions. First question, what is empirical formula? This question was asked in the year March 2013 annual exam. What is empirical formula? An empirical formula represent the smallest whole number ratio of various atoms present in the compound. That means it will indicate the smallest whole number ratio. It will not tell about exact number of atoms present in that, right? Second question, what is SI unit of density? This question was asked in March 2014 and 2019 annual exam. So SI unit of density, you know already density is equal to mass divided by volume, and mass SI unit is kg, volume SI unit is meter cube. Hence density SI unit is kg per meter cube. Question number 3. Write scientific notation of 232.508. This question was asked in the year 2015 and 2017 annual examination. So scientific notation means if you take a decimal point on the left hand side, so you have to multiply with 10 to the power positive. And when you are taking decimal point to the right side, you have to multiply with 10 to the power minus. So now we are going to take on the left side, so therefore how much decimal points you are taking left side, that much you have to multiply with 10 to the power. Suppose 232.508 is there, so if I want to take decimal point 2 side at the left side, so I have to multiply 10 to the power plus 2. See here, 2.32508 means I have taken decimal point at the left hand side 2 digits, so I have multiplied with 10 to the power plus 2. I hope you followed, guys. Question number 4. Write the following number in the scientific notation 0.0000905. This question was asked in October 2015. So they're asking again scientific notation. Now decimal point should be taken towards the right side. So multiplied with 10 to the power minus how much decimal point you have taken, that much 10 to the power you have to write. See, 5 points I would like to take on the right side, so I multiplied with 10 to the power minus 5. 9.05, meaning is I have taken decimal points right side up to 5 digits, so therefore I have multiplied with 10 to the power minus 5. Remember guys, when we are moving from decimal point to the left side, you have to multiply with 10 to the power plus, and when we are moving from right side towards right side, you have to multiply with 10 to the power minus. Question number 5. Express the following number in the scientific notation 0.0054. So when you multiply scientific notation means here it is 0.0054 means we have to take right side. So what to do? So if you want to take right side, the decimal, how many point decimal you are going to take? 1, 2, 3. So 3 decimal I have to take at the right side. Therefore multiply with 10 to the power minus 3. 5.4 into 10 to the power minus 3. Question number 6. Define molality. This was asked in February 2016-2015 annual examinations. Molality means number of moles of solute in kg of solvent. It is defined as the number of moles of solute present in 1 kg of solvent and denoted by small m. Molarity denoted by capital M. What will be the mass of atom of carbon 12 in grams? So mass of one atom of carbon 12 was found by the scientist in the mass spectrometer, and whose value is 1.992648 into 10 power minus 23, which is used for the calculation of Avogadro's number also. So this value is experimentally determined, guys, and using mass spectrometer experiment. Yes. Define mole fraction. Mole fraction is nothing but ratio of number of moles of one component to the number of moles of all component. Number of moles of one component to the number of moles of all component. Meaning is, so if we wanted to talk about the mole fraction of A, and you are having a mixture with A and B, so mole fraction is equal to Na divided by Na plus Nb. Or in other words, it is a ratio of number of moles of particular component to the total number of moles of solution. So this is the definition of mole fraction. Already you have studied, I think so. It is there in the NCERT. Same definition I have written here. Question number 9. What is the SI unit of electric current? Electric current already you have studied in physics also. Here also you are studying in unit conversion. So SI unit of electric current is measured in ampere, denoted by A. 10th question. Define mole. What is a mole? Mole is the amount of substance that contains Avogadro's number of particles. Mole is the amount of substance that contains Avogadro's number of particles. In other words, mole is the amount of substance that contains as many particles as there are atoms in exactly 12 gram of carbon-12 isotope. Meaning is, in 12 gram of carbon-12 isotope, Avogadro's number of particles are there. That means 1 mole is nothing but amount of substance that contains Avogadro's number 6.023 into 10 power 23. What is SI unit of density? Again same question. Mass divided by volume. Density is equal to mass divided by volume means mass SI unit is kg, volume SI unit is meter cube. Therefore mass divided by volume means you are getting kg per meter cube. How many significant figures are present in 2.3004? This was asked in annual exam April 2019 recently. 2.3004. So in this case all numbers are significant because zeros between non-zero digits are also significant. So you have heard the rule. Therefore total significant figures are here 4 and 1, 5. Total significant figures are 5, guys. So let us discuss 2 mark questions. How many significant figures are there in 4.01 into 10 power 2? It is not 1 or 2, it is 10 power 2. How many seconds are there in 2 days? So 2 questions are there here. This is in case of scientific notation, guys. So in case of scientific notation, whatever the powers of 10 are there, those are not counted. Remaining all numbers are counted. I hope you know the rule. During scientific notation, all the numbers are significant except 10 to the power. So how many numbers are there here? 4.01, 3 numbers. Hence significant figure is 3. And how many seconds are there in 2 days? You know, 2 days, 2 into 1 day is 24 hours. So 2 into 24 into 1 hour 60 minutes. So 2 into 24 into 60, 1 minute 60 second. Therefore you have to multiply 2 into 24 into 60 into 60. That is nothing but you are getting 1,72,1800 seconds. Second question. State and explain law of definite proportion. This was asked in annual exam 2015 and 2018. So definite proportion. The law states that given compound always contains exactly the same proportion of elements. Given compound always contains exactly the same proportion of elements by weight. Very important. Calculate the mass percentage of nitrogen in urea. Mass percentage of nitrogen in urea. You know the formula, mass percentage of any element is equal to mass of the element in the compound into 100 divided by molar mass of that compound. So in this case what you have to do? You have to calculate mass of that element in the compound. So how much nitrogen is there, you have to get it into 100 divided by molar mass of the compound. You just try, guys. Comment your answer on the comment section. Question 3rd, you have to answer it. Comment your answer. Calculate the number of atoms present in 40 gram of sulfur. Given atomic mass of sulfur is 32. You are asked to find out number of atoms present. See guys, number of atoms present in 40 gram of sulfur is 7.527 into 10 power 23 atoms. So how you got this? Because 1 mole of sulfur, any substance, is equal to 6.022 into 10 power 23, Avogadro's number, which is called Avogadro's constant. Number of atoms present in 40 gram of sulfur is this one, because 32 gram of sulfur contains 6.022 10 power 23 atoms. Then 40 gram of sulfur contains how much? You have to cross multiply. Following my point, yes, 1 mole contains this one, 32 gram contains 6.02 to 10 power 23, then 40 gram contains how much? So what you have to do? 6.02 to 10 power 23 into 40 divided by 32 you have to do. So you will get the answer 7.527 into 10 power 23 atoms. Calculate the number of carbon atoms present in 4 milligram of graphite pencil. So this is a homework for you guys. So you try it and comment your answer on the comment section. Question number 5 also homework for you. Question number 6. Give any two difference between compound and mixture. This was asked in 2016, 2017, May 2017 and repeated exam March 2017 also. See, compound and mixture. Compounds are pure substances, while mixtures are impure substances. They are made up of 2 or more elements combined chemically. Mixtures are made up of 2 or more substances mixed physically. The constituents of compounds are present in fixed ratio. The constituents of mixtures are present in varying ratio. Compounds have a fixed properties. For example, a particular compound will have fixed temperature at which it melts and boils. Mixture do not have fixed properties. So these are the 4 differences between compounds and mixture. This question is also very important, guys. So see properly. Calculate molecular mass of methane molecule. You know what is the molecular formula of methane? CH4. What is the weight of carbon? 12. How many carbons are there? 1 plus. How many hydrogens are there? 4 into weight of hydrogen 1. So you will get 12 into 1 12 plus 4 into 1 4, total 16. Calculate mass percentage of each element of methane. So this question is a homework for you guys. You have to try it. You have to comment your answer in the comment section. What are difference between mass and weight? Already you studied, guys, mass and weight. So what is the difference? Mass is the amount of substance present. Weight is the force exerted by gravity on an object. So mass of this substance is always constant because it is amount of substance present, right? But weight may vary from one place to another. Why it is varying? Because it depends on the gravity. Due to change in gravity, it can vary. SI unit of mass is kg. SI unit of weight is Newton. This is also very important question, guys. So remember the differences. What is scientific notation? Express the following number in the scientific notation. What is scientific notation? Scientific notation is a way of writing very large or very small numbers. A number is written in scientific notation when the number between 1 and 10 is multiplied by power of 10. Meaning is, see, 232.508 is there. So if you want to take decimal left side, you have to multiply with 10 to the power plus. And if you want to take decimal right side, you have to multiply 10 to the power minus. Remember. So 232. I want to take the left side. So what to do? 2.32. That means I have taken 2 decimal left side. I have to multiply 10 to the power plus 2. What is homogeneous mixture? Give one example. Homogeneous mixture is a gaseous or liquid or solid mixture that has same proportion of its component throughout a given sample. Meaning is, it is uniform in composition throughout. Wherever you want to calculate, you calculate it. The composition is same throughout. Examples are the component completely mixed with each other and its composition is uniform throughout. You can define like this also. Examples are air, sea water. There, whatever the wherever you want in the sea, whatever the position you collect the water, you are getting same amount of minerals. Meaning is the throughout the mixture you are getting same composition. Such type of mixtures are called homogeneous mixture. What is heterogeneous mixture? There homogeneous, the composition is same throughout, uniform. Here it is non-uniform. The composition is not uniform throughout. Example, mixtures of salt and sugar, grain and pulses. These are the examples for heterogeneous mixtures. State Gay-Lussac's law of gaseous volume. Express 0.00067 in scientific notation. So Gay-Lussac's law, this was given by Gay-Lussac scientist, and it depends, it is only applicable for gases. In a gaseous reaction, reactants are always combined in a simple ratio by volume and form product. In a gaseous reaction, reactants are always combined in a simple ratio by volume and form product at constant temperature and pressure. So this was given by Gay-Lussac. Scientific notation, carefully see guys, 0.00067 is there. That means I want to take decimal right side. 4 decimal digits I have to take right side. Meaning is I have to multiply with 10 to the power minus 4. So this is, I hope you understood the question. Now we'll talk about 5-mark question. See guys, problem, and in some basic concept of chemistry, definitely you are going to get 100% guarantee for midterm also and annual also one question like this question. And whatever I solved, same question you are going to get in midterm also and annual also. I will guarantee it guys. See, I am taking all the questions from the previous year question papers. Meaning is, so wherever the district may be, whatever the district may be, you are from Bangalore, Hubli, Belgaum, whatever the district may be, but the framing of the questions and pattern of the question paper is same. So therefore in 5-mark question, definitely we are going to get one question for midterm also, annual also, 100%. So I have tried to solve 3 or 4 questions. You see guys, first question, a compound with molar mass 34 gram per mole, meaning is you are given with molar mass, is known to contain 5.88% of hydrogen. Compound contain 5.88% of hydrogen and 94.12% of oxygen. Find the molar mass, molecular formula of this compound. So this type of question can be done with, you have to write 6 columns. First element, percentage of composition, atomic mass, percentage of composition divided by atomic mass, number in the previous column and divided by least number, simple whole number ratio. You see hydrogen and oxygen, so only 2 elements are given. In the question, percentage of hydrogen is 5.88, oxygen is 94.12, atomic mass of hydrogen is 1.008, atomic mass of oxygen is 16. You just divide 5.88 divided by 1.008, so you will get 5.833. If you divide 94.12 divided by 16, you will get 5.8825. And the number in the 5.833 and 5.8825. So least number is 5.833. Therefore, I have divided with 5.833. Number in the previous column and divided by least number means 5.833, 5.8825, which is lowest 5.833. Therefore, divide by the both the numbers. 5.833 divided by 5.833, you will get 1. 5.8825 divided by 5.833, you will get 1.008. So approximately equal to 1 is equal to 1 only. 1.008 is equal to 1. Therefore, empirical formula is, how many hydrogens are there guys? 1. How many oxygens are there? 1. So empirical formula is HO. To find the molecular formula, you must calculate empirical formula base. So empirical formula mass is equal to 1 hydrogen is there, 1 into 1 hydrogen atomic weight is 1.008 plus 1 oxygen is there, and what atomic weight of oxygen is 16. So 1 into 1.008, you will get 1.008 plus 1 into 16, you will get 16. 16 plus 1.008, you are getting 17.008, which is approximately equal to 17. So we got empirical formula mass. We want molecular formula. For that reason, we have to find out small n value. That small n is equal to molar mass divided by empirical formula mass. So molar mass given with 34 gram per mole in the question, divided by empirical formula mass we have calculated 17. 17 ones are 17 twos are. Your answer you are going to get 2. Now these two number, whatever n value you are getting, no, that number should be multiplied to empirical formula. You will get molecular formula. See guys, molecular formula is equal to empirical formula mass into n. So empirical formula how much it is? HO into n means 2, H into 2 H2, O into 2 O2. Hence the compound given compound got here is H2O2. That is exact molecular formula of the compound. Remember guys, you have to make 6 column. Go on writing it properly. Then you will get empirical formula. Empirical formula mass should be calculated. N value should be calculated. What is N? Molar mass divided by empirical formula mass. Then that empirical formula is multiplied with n number. You will get molecular formula. This type of question 100% you are going to get guys. See, I will give second example. You will come to know exactly what I am talking about. See, a compound contains 4.07% of hydrogen, 24.27% of carbon and 71.65% of chlorine. Its molecular mass is 98.96. Calculate its empirical formula. Atomic mass of hydrogen is 1, carbon is 12, chlorine is 35.5. Same question they asked again. Now you have to calculate only empirical formula. Again, draw the structures. Element, percentage composition, atomic mass, percentage composition divided by atomic mass, number in previous column divided by list number, simple whole number. See what to write then. How many elements are there? Hydrogen, carbon and chlorine. Hydrogen percentage is given 4.07. Carbon percentage is given 24.27 in the question. Chlorine percentage is also given 71.65. And we know hydrogen atomic weight is 1.008. Carbon atomic weight is 12. Chlorine atomic weight is 35.5. Now percentage composition divided by atomic mass. How much percentage composition is given to you? 4.07 divided by 1.008. You will get 4.0376. Similarly for carbon, 24.27 divided by 12. You will get 2.0225. Last one, chlorine, 71.65 divided by 35.5. So you will get 2.0183. Now I told you, number in the previous column divided by least number. Among 4.0376, 2.0225, 2.0183. The least number is 2.0183. Therefore, 2.0183 should be divided with all the numbers. So 4.0376 divided by 2.0183, you will get 2. 2.0225 divided by 2.0183, you will get 1.002. 2.0183 divided by 2.0183, you will get 1. So approximately equal to hydrogen 2, carbon 1, chlorine 1. So hydrogen how much? 2, carbon 1, chlorine 1. So usually we will write carbon first. Therefore empirical formula is C1H2Cl. C1H2Cl. This is a empirical formula. Second, B question in the same thing. What is a limiting reagent? See guys, very important. The same exact question I asked for 2014, 2017, 2018, same question. That above question A we solved, no. The value is also same. So therefore this question is very very important. 90% you will going to get in the annual exam the same question. With the values are also same. Because only this question is given in the NCERT. So they may ask this question only. So what is a limiting reagent? The reactant which gets consumed first limits the amount of product formed is known as limiting reagent. So the reactant which gets consumed first and which limits the amount of product. Once it is consumed, the no more product is formed. Therefore limits the amount of product formed. Such type of reactant is known as limiting reagent. See guys, the A question Compound contains 4.07% of hydrogen. This question very important, guys. 90% you are going to get in annual examination, whatever the state may be, because this is only one question given in the NCERT. Following? Yes. Go for next question. What is limiting reagent? Again, same thing. Already we have discussed about this. Convert 39 degrees Celsius to Kelvin, and you know 1 Kelvin you have to degree Celsius whatever given, no, you have to add with 273.15. You know the formula, Kelvin is equal to degree Celsius plus 273.15. So how much degree Celsius is given? 39 plus 273.15, you will get 312.15 Kelvin. Write the postulates of Dalton's atomic theory. So Dalton's atomic theory you can get in atomic structure also, you will get in some basic concept of chemistry also. See, 4 postulates are there. Matter consists of individual atoms. Matter is consisting of different individual atoms. All atoms of given elements have identical properties. So whatever the atoms of given elements are there, those all atoms are having same properties. Compounds are formed when atoms of different elements combine in a fixed ratio. Chemical reaction involve reorganization of atoms. These are neither be created or nor be destroyed. Atoms can neither be created nor be destroyed. So these are the 4 main postulates of Dalton's atomic theory. If you want to take a screenshot, you can take it, guys. Next one. Define molality. Calculate the molality of glucose in the solution prepared by dissolving 36 gram of it in 200 gram of water. See, guys, calculate the molality of glucose they are asking, and molar mass of glucose is given 180 gram per mole. That means molar mass of solute is given to you in the solution prepared by dissolving 36 gram, means weight of glucose how much? 36 gram. Molar weight of glucose how much? 180 gram. It is given to you. So 200 gram of water means solvent weight they have given, solute weight also given, solvent weight also given. Solvent is water, solute is glucose. They are asking for molarity. What is molality? Number of moles of solute present in 1 kg of solvent. So don't get confused between molarity and molality. Molality is the number of moles of solute present in 1 kg of solvent. See, guys, the formula, another formula for this one, number of moles of solute, first we have to calculate. Number of moles of solute. Solute here is glucose. So formula is given weight divided by molar weight. So given weight is how much? 36 gram. Molar mass of glucose is 180. So you will get 0.2. What is the 0.2 we got? Number of moles of glucose present in that we got. But what we want? Molality. Molality is equal to, see, weight of the solvent is 200 gram, which is also given. Molality is equal to number of moles of solute divided by weight of solvent in gram into 100. So number of moles of solute is how much? 0.2 divided by weight of the solvent is how much? 200 gram. It is also given into 100. So you will get 0.1 molar. So 0.1 molar is the correct answer for this question. You remember the formulas, guys, very important, such type of questions. Molarity, molality, normality, mole fraction and mass percentage. Out of these 4, definitely you will get one question for annual examination also, midterm exam also. Question number 5. See, organic compound analysis found to contain 57.82 gram % carbon, 3.6% hydrogen, and the rest is oxygen. Its molecular mass is 166. Find its empirical and molecular formula. They are asking. Again, same type of question is there. Again, you have to make a chart. So try yourself, guys, and same type. Already I have solved 2 questions previously. So if you have not seen that, just take before the video. So you see there I have solved 2 questions. Same question is there, only values are different. So you try, guys, and you comment there in our comment section what is your answer you are going to get by solving this. So please comment, guys, whatever the answer you are going to get. I will verify it. Question number 6 we'll talk about. organic compound contains 39.9% of carbon, 6.7% of hydrogen and rest of oxygen. Calculate its empirical formula they are asking. Again same type of question. So I have solved here. See guys, again we have to put a column. First you have to given percentage of composition, atomic mass you have to write down. Divide both, you will get the numbers. You have to find out the least number and divide all the numbers. You will get some fraction number. Last column you have to write approximately equal to whole numbers. So carbon 1, hydrogen 2, oxygen 1. So therefore empirical formula is C1H2O. Empirical formula is C1H2O. I hope you followed. Already we have solved 3 questions. State law of multiple proportion. Already we have studied this. Law of multiple proportion. Two elements can combine to form more than one compound. The masses of one element that combine with fixed mass of other element are in the ratio of small whole number. So whatever the NCERT definition is there, same definition I have written here. So remember guys, out of 5 laws, law of mass action, Gay-Lussac's law, law of multiple proportion and law of definite proportion. Out of these 4 laws, definitely they will ask one law for the statement. 100%. For annual also, for midterm exam also. So carefully study the statements guys. Again same question, compound contains 4.07% of hydrogen. Same question, already we have solved this question and you see that. Already we have solved 2 times this one. Same question with values also. B question you see. What is SI unit of volume? Meter cube. Sorry I have written per meter cube. It is wrong. SI unit of volume is meter cube. Just you correct it guys. SI unit of volume is meter cube, not per meter cube. A compound contains. Again same question guys. Already I have solved. You see there. Value also same. Express following scientific notation. Into the scientific notation. 0.0048 means lower number is there. We have to take right side of the decimal. 1, 2, 3. If I want to write 3 digits right side, I have to multiply with 10 to the power minus 3. 4.8 into 10 power minus 3. This is the correct answer. Last question you see guys, again same question is there, value also same. See guys, so many times they have asked in the annual examination same question without changing the value also. Therefore I am telling this question is 90% guaranteed question guys. So you are going to get in midterm also, annual also, because it is there in the NCERT also. Whatever the state question may be, question paper may be, you will get the question guys. Express the following in scientific notation. 0.00625. So again smaller number is there, you have to take right side of the decimal. So 1, 2, 3. If you want to take 3 point decimal right side, therefore we have to multiply with 6.25 into 10 power minus 3. So this is the last question. This was asked in the March 2019. So I have solved all the questions which are asked in the some basic concept of chemistry, which are asked in Belgaum district annual exams. So these are very important for different districts also. Same questions they may ask. So concepts are same. Only mode of asking the question is different. Some values are different. But I have covered all the type of questions here. I hope you followed guys. If you are not getting anything, see the video once. You will definitely get it guys. Yes. Stay tuned for next lesson. I will talk about the structure of atom and also organic chemistry first chapter and also redox reaction and chemical periodicity chapters in the next videos. Stay tuned guys. Tomorrow I will upload on the organic chemistry chapter. Very important question, fixed question which are asked for the annual examination also, midterm also. Stay tuned guys. Thanks for watching. Thank you.